have a 2023 Yamaha R1. I'm going to lower the front end here. If you look down there where the front of the motorcycle is, there's 2 pinch bolts down there on the left and then 2 of those on the right. Now before I loosen those, I'm going to use this ladder and a couple straps just to stabilize the front end because we don't want it to slam all the way down to the bottom. If you have floor joists, you can tie your motorcycle up to that as well. All right, what I'm going to do now is just measure the height of where these are at using this caliper tool. I'm in millimeters here. You can see that it's 9.4 millimeters on this guy on the right. I'm up underneath the front here. I did not have to take the fairings off, and since those pinch bolts, according to the dealership, are 15 foot-pounds, they're really easy to break, and they'll be really easy to tighten as well. If you look at the front of the motorcycle, there's going to be a pinch bolt right there on the left and one on the right for the handlebars. We need to loosen those. Do that to the other side. The bike has already dropped a little bit here. I'm going to go ahead and take an initial measurement on both sides. This one I'm at 15.7 millimeters. The one on the left I'm at 15. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to slowly loosen the strap. I mean slowly. Oh, there we go. Leave just a little bit of pressure right there. We'll wiggle the bike a little bit. And you can see that it dropped a little bit more. We'll do another reading. So the one on the left here, I'm at 20.6. The one on the right, I'm at 18.6. See if that makes a difference there. That's 20.7 on the right. You can see here this one's dropped a lot more than the one over here. So this one is right at 30.5. I'm 5 millimeters short, but I think I'm probably going to leave it like that. Take a measurement. I'm at 31.2 millimeters. I'll take another measurement. 31.2 millimeters. Perfect. Now I'm just going to kind of wiggle this one over here a little bit. Just kind of wiggle the fork. It'll just come down just a little bit at a time. That way I'm not overdoing it. Come down a little bit more. We're almost there. That's 30.1. We need 31.2. Come on. At 31.3 there. You want to make sure that you have clearance with your handlebars. You can see right here, if I would have gone any lower, maybe a 1/4 inch or maybe even close to a half, I would be hitting this fairing here on the side. All right, that was actually a pretty easy process here. You can see what the forks look like after lowering them. I ended up going right at about 31 millimeters on both sides.